Kain na. These are tables. So ganda. Coffee, bread, pho, and eggs. Salad, station, fruits and pudding, more salad, and the hot food.
Siglit soup.
Dumplings. Thank you so much. Sarap. Also good. Grabe. Sarap na lahat ng pho. After breakfast, we went to check out a cafe because mom said it looked like Harry Potter inside. So we took a lot of photos there and we drank some coffee. And then I took the time to study their money there because they have a lot. There's a 200,000 bill, a 100,000 bill, a 20,000 bill, a 10,000 bill, and a 500,000 bill. When it was time to go, we booked a Grab. We're at Thiso Mall, Sala. It's a normal mall. That's the mall. Oh, it looks gorgeous. So we got this one, and then the margarita, of course. He recommended this one, so I'm getting that. And then we got coconut and watermelon juice. Thank you.
Malasa yung fresh. Kulang sa butas, kaya hindi tumutulak. Hirap na. Thank you.
Thank you. Eat that with the lime. And this is a regular margarita. Good. Natural honey. Pero I don't know why. Wow.
Pero yung magpuso lang, alas pantay-pantay. Hindi yata 10. Hindi ano? 10. Sarap din natin. Oh.
Nakita lahat.
Yes. Lambot masyado.
It's really good though. This is the honey, right? It's really good.
Very nice.
They gave us some free bread.
It's really, really good.
Apparently, that says it's really good.
No.
And tapos you can put honey on the pizza din, di ba?
He said to put some lime. So we'll put
Tama rin.
some on the first bite.
Ano ito?
Spicy shrimp. It's spicy. But it tastes like shrimp kahit wala kang kailangan ng shrimp. Really good then. Garlicky, shrimpy, spicy. And with the lime. Maanghang. Eat the one with the shrimpy.
Again pala.
Amazing.
Inunan mo kasi.
Grabe guys, I'm glad we ate here. It's one of the best pizzas I've ever eaten. Kahit nasa Vietnam at nagpizza kami, don't judge us. Masarap. Masarap. Don't judge us. Masarap. Kaya hindi kayo dito pag nag-Vietnam. 4-piece. Parang Pinas, 4-piece. There's a place where you can sit on the floor and see the view. Our total bill here was 684,720 Vietnamese dong. After eating, we went shopping and I wanted to buy shoes to replace my current shoes, so we went to ABC Mart. And here's a little fit check for you guys. Guys, I want all of them. I cannot choose. I want to bring home one of them. Look! It's so cute! Grabe! I can't choose. Grabe, ang ganda. What's that? What's that? It's working. What the heck? What the heck? Oh, go.
It's a chocolate factory.
Hindi ko alam. Wala, umiikot lang. There's Candy Crush here. There's some kind of Dippin' Dots here. Mini Melts. Bubble ice cream. Look. I'll try the cotton candy one. Sarap yung cotton candy.
Sawa!
Guys, si Iyor. Paano to? Paano ko siya kukunin? Paano? Ayun na siya, ayun na siya, ayun na siya. Ayun na.
Ay, wala nakadisplay.
Ayun na si Ula. Another one I cannot get. Ayun na siya. No! No, Iyor. Pangatlo na to. Stop torturing me.
Wala rin na. Bakit ang daming
Tatlong Iyor na yun.
sa ilalim?
This is the fourth
check ko.
one. The fourth Iyor. Why?
Something from Disney. It's for my mom. I got it sa Gabi. Medyo weird siya, parang siyang fake na Disney, pero tunay siya. Look at the plastic bag. So, ayun. It's a whole
Ang ganda ng paintings, oh. Ayun, oh. So nice. There's a storyline. And then these are the paintings. So nice. Ah, it's a maze. Oh. Oh, amazing. How do you go? Ah, do you know? This is where you enter the Van Gogh maze, and
Ayan yung presyo niya. So, we have a standard and a VIP.
So, paano siyang Argentine?
Yan yung map. Oo, pero...
So we just walked around the mall waiting for mom to finish work and to come here as well because this mall is near her place. And now mom is here. We're gonna go eat dinner. Yes, puro kain na lang kami, I know. So for dinner, Dad's favorite is pizza. So we went back to 4P's to eat more pizza because we wanted mom to try the pizza as well.
Something for me, something for me.
Oh, yes.
Something for me. What's this? What's this? Wait, I need my...
Yung menu natin.
No English, mother.
No English. Oh no, I open it because there's no English language there. Tumblr. Tumblr, 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 Tumblr.
Yes, now I have a Juls order. You can scan a web card here for order or I have menu paper for you. Do you want another drink first?
No, later.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, you want order? You ask for me.
So, use this squash.
Sawa.
Uy, sarap. Yummy.
Baka ma-missing din namin yan. Hindi pwede.
Nag-work ako dun.
Ang galing ng Katinat. Yung nag-fit siya dun sa... Ano yun? Cave, parang cave.
Yung maliit na.
Oo, mga ganyan ko sa loob. Tapos nakaharap ka na sa street lang. Nabidig ka na sa street. Cozy. Cozy. Irregular shape.
Lime soda.
May during eating pala.
Yes. During waiting. Gusto mo waiting. No food. You didn't taste it that much. And then, the food arrived there.
Naubusan ng tinapos. Woke up ba yung benta?
Two more.
Yeah.
Okay. Squid risotto.
How are everything today?
Good. Very squiddy, slightly salty because it's seafood. Very black.
Nice again.
Birthday dinner. Daw pwede niya ibigay. It's the salmon miso cream pasta. Oh, it's a big slice. It's a very big slice. Salmon miso cream.
Salty.
Good. Yummy. Sarap ng salmon.
Meron mga nut. Ay, seeds. May seeds.
Ayan o. Bright green.
Clam basil.
Gusto niyo din na rin
Please enjoy your dinner. I struggle. That's not salty.
Did you eat noodles?
Here you want... Ay, ang laki ng slice. Then, a clam. You want or later?
Pinat sa 5.
Binibilang. Okay, take a bite. Bite.
Warm.
No dance. Not another dance step.
It's a different dance.
Oh, baliw. A giant robot named Beso. It's from this cafe. It's here. It's so cute.
We booked a grab back to our place and then went walking around the area. So we found this
So many
Japanese restaurants.
in Japan. Daddy wants. Kaya pala hindi ako nag-ice cream eh.
And I got some mochi here to bring home.
Wow. Oo. Narinig ng vlog ko. Narinig ng vlog ko yon. Ito ba?
Saan tayo pipila?
Yeah.
One and another. Nilok yung kamay niya mukhang ano.
Ho Chi Minh. Ho Chi Minh, sir. There he is. Everything is branded, like not just a brand, the expensive kind, Fendi, LV, Bulgari, Versace, Chanel, and Ho Chi Minh. Fountain.
They close this one. I don't know. They make this one and the other side, but the middle.
There's a drugstore near Mom's hotel, so it's actually a beauty shop, and we got some essentials from there because it was quite cheaper. Then on our way back to our hotel, we passed by this arts and crafts store, but sadly they didn't allow us to film inside, but we got a lot of stuff from here. We also passed by a Vietnamese ceramics shop.
We went shopping and it's almost 10 p.m. here. So it's 11 in the Philippines. We're going back to our hotel.
It's another day, that means another breakfast buffet. Here's our spread today. And everything just quickly disappeared.
Guys, nasira nails ko day 3 pa lang. But I'm ready. Ayan sila. Oh. Look at this. Look at that. We have nail polish. Because I know this would happen. Gaga. Ang theme today ay things fall apart. Number 1, my nails. Number 2, my shoes. My shoes are broken. We only learned that in the airport. Ayan, hiwalay na siya. Basta, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Tapos, pangatlo, yung payong ko, sira na din. Yan, is also broken, has one bali. Amazing, right? Everything is broken. It's broken, look. Opening mouth. Other one too, oh. Wow. How we look because we don't have payong. Our first market experience.
10,000 di. May smoothie.
Siguro tayong bata. Touch my thigh and his thigh look wet. And her shoulder. Daddy's arm too. What an experience.
Wala nang lumuha.
No personal space.
Grabe naman. Sasanay ka eh.
Shrimp and roasted pork. Here's banh mi.
Strawberry.
Strawberry! Wow!
Nadadali yata ako.
Shrimp banh mi in the market.
But this one is so good.
Masarap. May milk, coconut milk.
Kala mo nga, sweet corn. Sweet man.
Hindi yung green. Hindi buko.
Hindi nga dito.
Nyog. Tata.
Sarap!
Basta.
Wow, it looks good.
Pretty. So the orange is
Very fresh.
right there. Okay.
Parang na tayo nasa kinagawa. Pambala.
Shrimp is so good.
Try it. Galing na mag-yogurt din. Sila gumagawa.
May ibang
Pork.
crunch.
Is that yours?
Sarap.
Can I
May
try?
ibang crunch eh. Parang gulay.
Ito ng pork, may lasa. Lasang asin. Sarap. Blueberry yogurt.
We don't do mangoes like the Philippines.
Oh my God, ang sarap din ng yogurt.
Sarap, no? Yung
Wow!
yogurt nila, parang yung sa hotel.
Ito naman, coconut. Very mild coconut. This one, mango.
Ang gata nga eh.
Sarap ng bread. Ano yan, bagay?
Mild din yung mango. Pinakamalasa yung strawberry and blueberry. After walking around Bentan Market, we got super hot and Jenna needed to use the restroom, so we looked for a cafe nearby and we got some drinks there. There were also some souvenirs you can buy from the cafe, so we chilled there and just waited for everyone to gather before going home. But instead of going home, we checked out Saigon Center. There's another ABC Mart there, and I tried some shoes on. Ay, ano na namang tag. This one is Puma, the other one is Fila. Ang ingay ng socks today. Sadly, I didn't get anything, but we went back home to play cards and eat some mochi. It has label orange, blueberry, and green tea. Mochi! Woohoo! Dad, which one do you want to eat?
to buo. Nobody did buo.
Which one do you want to eat first?
Can you
try
please
the
pass the card?
It's so squishy. I love it.
Pass the
Ano na si
card.
Jenna? Kulelat na.
There.
Ang sarap jam.
Sige. Can I have?
Leading si Matt by 2.
So good.
Yummy.
Next is the
Ang
blueberry
sarap ng mochi niya.
It's very good mochi.
Yes, the mochi is very good.
And it's so squishy and nice and cute.
What's that?
Blueberry cheese. I choose good
That
flavor.
sounds good. Can I buy it?
Good flavor. It's very cheesy. Where's the blueberry?
Nice.
Cannot find the blueberry though.
Ang sarap. Oh my God.
You can have it.
No, it's okay.
I
We
like
can
this
buy
tasting
more.
lang.
We can buy more.
Orange.
Orange, what's inside it? Ano?
Sarap. Orange lang. Nasang, ano naman popsicle? Yummy. The popsicle, twin popsies. Very nice. Galing nila.
Yung Katinat natuloy, yung Highlands.
Coaster. It's a nice coaster.
Chili frog leg syrup.
Stingray? What the freak?
But a cute hotel.
May ganon.
Yes, kasi hindi siya talaga yung...
It's watercress with 3 types of egg. So, it's vegetables. Very good. Not salty. Bitter yung watercress, but that's okay. Sarap. Sarap din texture niya. Yummy. Just tomato omelette. Sarap. My favorite. Enoki, fried enoki. Very fried.
Fried frog na next.
Good though. It's really good, ah. Abot ka high blood ko though. Also have hot ginger tea, but it's sweet. This is chicken covered with some kind of prawn powder thingy. And very hot. Super hot.
Chicken is not salty.
Connect pa natin ang kanin.
That's sarap. It tastes like seafood. Chicken that tastes like seafood. And it's very crispy and hot. Very good. Not salty. Sarap manok.
The picture with the girl. Oh, I took a...
Frog leg. Let's try it. I don't know if it's my first time. I think I ate one when I was a kid. So, not chicken. You can have it.
Mainit pa.
My brain cannot handle. It's alright.
Oh.
Maybe later again.
Oil is
I will
still
try
very
again.
hot inside the chicken.
Naunahan ako ng utak ko. It's alright. There's a different taste but you get used to it. Not chicken.
Yes.
Talaga? I got tomatoes kasi.
Kuminto ka rin ako.
Walking back home, we always pass by 7-Eleven, and I got this haba baba because I missed it. There's another flavor there. It's sour. Then we just chilled for a bit at Mom's hotel lobby, and then we walked back home. See you in the next vlog for day 4.